Hey guys, I know it's been a while, but I have something special for you today. I'm doing a quick organization video just to show you how to organize under the cabinet. The first step is declutter everything. I'm using an all-purpose cleaner to clean the inside. You can also use soapy hot water. I got pan and lid holders. They were both under $4 at HomeGoods. Now the fun part. This is the second cabinet. I'm going to show you a different way to organize using a tier shelf or a shelf helper. I did get this shelf from HomeGoods as well. I used a nail to hang the oven mitt. You can also use a command strip hook if you have one. Here are before and after pictures of both cabinets. Thank you for watching my organization video. Please make sure you subscribe for a future organization video.